Alarm mode MET SLT Fail, showing up here intermittently. This means you have the wrong type of AC modbus meter configured. There are two common types delivered with the Solis. There's either an Acrel, which is a 3-module wide unit, or an Eastron, which is a 1 DIN unit wide module. To set the correct meter type, you need to go into Storage Energy Set with Enter, down to Advanced Settings, input the current password 0010. All the fields are already 0, so we need to go down, down, up to change it to 1, and then the final digit is 0 anyway, so we can just press Enter. Right down to Storage Energy Set, into Meter Set, and Meter Select. I have an Acrel meter here. I've intentionally changed it to an Eastron to cause the error, so I need to change it back to an Acrel. And it's a 1-phase meter, mine, and the default is the Acrel, so 1p meter like that is Acrel 1-phase meter. There's also the 3-phase one which specifies Acrel, and then you'll see the Eastron 1-phase, which is what's been supplied with the modern models of RHI inverter. Set mine back to an Acrel. While we're there, check the meter placement. The meter placement is installed on the grid. That means it's on the meter tail coming into the house. And finally the CT direction. Mine's pointing the correct way around with the arrow in the right direction. If you find yours is reading in reverse and all your energy has been exported for no apparent reason, you can either turn the CT round on the cable, you can swap the two CT cables in your meter, or alternatively you can just change from forward to reverse on your inverter. As you can see, the alarm light's gone, and if we go back to the main screen, current status is normal. If you like these videos, like and subscribe would be appreciated. Thanks very much.